Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year in advance. So today I made a simple juice recipe that's nutrient dense and frankly a concentrated source of health benefits. You too can make this juice in the comfort of your homes. And it's a great way to start off the new year, juicing the right way. You want to start the year by boosting your immunity and fortifying your system? This is the juice to make. Like I said, it's simple and even quick. You'll be done in under 4 minutes. This amazing drink is a combination of fruit and veggies, and I started by cleansing all using some baking soda. By the way, you can use your juicer. I'm using my blender. I prefer my blender because with the blender, I get to retain more of the fiber in the juice and also help to prevent sugar spikes. We don't want that. I start first with prepping the apple. As you all know, apples are no stranger to my channel. They're packed with antioxidants, polyphenols, vitamin C, and they protect the cells. Also, apples help to lower bad cholesterol, and they help to improve brain function and provide potassium for blood pressure. Now, did you know? A strange fact about apples is that they're members of the rose family. Also, a whopping 25% of apples' volume is air, which makes them float. Next up is cucumbers. Cucumbers, just like apples, are a staple on my channel. I love juicing with cucumbers because they boost hydration due to their high water content. Also, cucumbers are low calorie and high in fiber, which support digestion and provide antioxidants. Cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties and compounds just like lignans, which can help reduce disease risk and promote overall wellness. One fun fact about cucumbers is that they're mostly water, about 96%, and ancient Egyptians used to make weak alcoholic drinks using cucumbers. One important vegetable I'm going to be using in this juice is beetroot. Now, beetroot is very high in nitrates, antioxidants, fiber. Essentially, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Also, beetroot help with heart health and blood pressure. The nitrates in the beetroot convert to nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels, improving blood flow, and lowering blood pressure. Now, did you know? One interesting fact about beetroot is that they were used as an ancient aphrodisiac by the Greeks. Now, last but not least, I'm using turmeric. Now, turmeric is a root that has been used as a spice for many years. Turmeric reduces inflammation and may also increase the activity of substances that reduce DNA damage. One fun fact about turmeric is that it's not just a spice. It's actually an ancient dye, a ceremonial staple in Indian weddings. So guys, I'm done prepping. All I did was put everything in my blender, add some water, and blend. And guys, if you want to spice up your juice some more, just go ahead and add a thumb of ginger and squeeze in some lime or lemon juice. So friends, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Juicing Foods. I'm the Juicing Foodie. I make simple, amazing, healthy juice recipes. I have an array of juices you would definitely love to make. I make different combinations of juices. I also make delicious food as well, but I would love you guys to check out my juices, my drinks, my teas. Hit that subscribe button. Join the family and let's go on this journey together. And voila, our simple healthy juice is ready. So friends, what do you think? Are you going to be making this? You should. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And by the way, you can actually take this juice as shots first thing in the morning, after drinking water, of course. It helps to energize you. Also, I would like to know, all the different facts I told you about beetroot, apples, cucumbers, etc. Did you ever know that before? Let me know in the comment section. Happy New Year once again, guys. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Ciao!